Hello guys, today we are playing Piggy the Lost Book Part 1. We're going to be playing the subway level. I'd better off on foot. Okay, so we gotta get some keys first. Get this red key. Okay, there's the blue door, so I gotta get the blue key first. Oh shoot. Okay, so I think this was I think they made this game off Pig 64, or did Pig 64 make this off this, or did Pig 64 make this off this game? Like, I don't even know anymore. Any keys in here? Nah. Wait, hold a minute. That means... No! Oh shoot. No! Alright, so now we got the orange key. We gotta go over here, I think, and open the orange lock. Yeah. Now we get the yellow key, I think. Oh shoot. No, why are you placing traps everywhere now? Like, what's the even point, fam? Oh, that's cold. Bro literally got locked in. No. I'm actual Riz at this game. How did I do that, mate? How did I actually do that now? I'll go get the wrench again. It's broken. Oh shoot, no. No, that was close. That was actual close, guys. Alright, so we gotta go over here, I think. Alright, now I'm gonna corner him over here. Nah, who's that? Who's that over there, bro? Who is that? Alright. The wrench. Yeah. Alright, go back down. I gotta get purple key if I can remember where that. Or I remember where the purple key is. I remember where it is. Guys, if you want me to do part 2 of this, then remember to hit that subscribe button so we can hit 120 subscribers. Can we do it, please? Nah, I hate these traps. Bro's so annoying. Bro is attacking me right now, and I do not consent. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh, we might actually do this, guys. We might actually do this for real. Yes, sir. Nope, not so fast. You're infected, aren't you? If you think I'll let you pass by and wreak havoc, you're wrong. Hang on a minute, infected? What are you talking about? I think there's been a misunderstanding. Oh, you can talk. The infected can't talk. I must have been wrong about you. My apologies, I go by Umbrella. And yourself? My name's HeavenGuy26. What do you mean by me being an infected? I'll explain later. For now, we have to make our way to the bunker. It's not safe. Alright, so I'll be doing a part 2 where I'm doing arcade. So remember to like and subscribe so we can get to part